Place your APLOS Clear filter cartridge. Start by turning off the water at the three-way valve. There is no need to turn off the supply water valve. Next, remove the filter container from the cap by twisting clockwise. Using the provided wrench, twist anti-clockwise until you can pull the filter freely from the container. Simply pull the container lid off the filter and replace with a new filter. Once you have your new filter inserted, twist clockwise until locked and tighten with the service wrench provided. Reconnect the filter container to the cap by twisting anti-clockwise until it is locked in place. You can now turn back on the water at the three-way valve. Make sure to store away the plastic service wrench for future use. EPS, Rethinking Water.